And now, the 6 merry murderesses of the Cook County Jail in their rendition of The Cell Block Tales.
Now I'm standing in the kitchen, carving up the chicken for dinner, minding my own business. In storms my husband Wilbur in a jealous rage. "You've been screwing the milkman," he says. He was crazy, and he kept on screaming, "You've been screwing the milkman!" And then he ran into my knife. He ran into my knife 10 times.
If you'd have been there, if you'd have seen it, I bet you would have done the same. The dirty bum, 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 the dirty bum, bum, bum. They had it come, 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 they had it come. Because if they use us, if they use us, they abuse us to tell us that we were wrong. We had it come, we had it come, we had it come, we had it come. We only had it, only said to myself, if you'd have been there, if you'd have seen it, I bet you would have done the same.
Pop that gum.
Single
One
my
more
ass.
time.
10 times.
Merde, c'est quoi? Uncle
Number
Sam,
17, the spread eagle.
differences.
Pop. 6. Squish. Cicero.
Lip shits.
Yeah!